What is homogeneous differential equation? Before that we have studied what is homogeneous function. Now we will study what is homogeneous differential equation. So this is example number 1. dy by dx is equal to x plus y divided by x. Before going to start the question, we should confirm whether the given function is homogeneous, and obviously if we check over here, we have a function f of x y in terms of x plus y over x. If we replace x by tx and y by ty, we will get tx plus ty divided by tx. By taking t common, x plus y over tx, t will be cancelled out, or on the other hand you can say t raised to the power 0 x plus y over x. So original function comes back and where the power of t is 0. So this is a 0 degree homogeneous function. It means you can apply a different strategy in this particular question. And what we will do, if you have a homogeneous differential equation, this type of a substitution will be used throughout the article. Y is equal to Vx. This substitution will be used whenever you have a homogeneous differential equation, means you have a homogeneous function in the differential equation. You will use this particular substitution, y is equal to Vx, and then differentiate with respect to x. So it will become dy by dx, and here two functions are multiplied with each other and we will use the product rule. So first function as it is, differentiation of x, plus second function as it is, differentiation of second, that is v. So this is the value of dy over dx, and then we will substitute the value of dy over dx over here in the left hand side of the given question, and y will be substituted over here where y is present in the right hand side. So what we will get? We will get v plus x dv by dx, which is equal to x plus vx. Y will be replaced by vx over x. After simplification, you will get a further simplified form, v plus x dv over dx is equal to, if you take x common out of the bracket, and it will be cancelled out with the x in the numerator, in the denominator, and further you have v plus x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v. You can cancel this v with this v, so you have left x dv over dx, which is equal to 1, and after that we have dv is equal to 1 over x dx. Now what is happening over here? Actually, when you have a homogeneous differential equation, you will put this type of substitution, y is equal to vx, and after simplification you will reach on the same method as we have discussed before. The method is separable variable. So here we have separated the variable and then integrate on both sides. The integral of dv will be v, so it will become natural log of x plus, you can use natural log of c or you can use simple c, it's totally up to you, answer will be same. So it will become natural log of cx. But this is not the final answer. Actually final answer should be in the same variable as you have seen the variable in the question. The variables are x and y, but here v is involved, so you have to substitute v by x or y, and from here you can get the value of v. So v will be y over x. So from this equation we get v will be y over x. This is your final answer, and if you want to further simplify, you will get x natural log of cx. So this is the way how we will solve the homogeneous differential equation. Now here is another example, example number 2, and this example states that x square minus y square dx plus 2xy dy, which is equal to 0. This is a homogeneous differential equation. Because why this is a homogeneous? Because the every term has degree 2. You can see here the degree of x is 2, the degree of y is 2, and the degree of x and y combined, because this is of degree 1, this is of degree 1. So overall this is the homogeneous function of degree 2. And we will start this question what will be our priority to solve this question. First of all, we will separate dy over dx. And then we will find dy over dx, and if we separate dy over dx, so what we will get? We will get x square minus y square divided by minus 2xy. And now you can substitute, let y is equal to vx. So differentiate with respect to y, you will get dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Now this value will be substituted in equation number 1. So this is equation number 1. So we have v plus x dv over dx, and over here x square minus, replace the value of y will be vx, so it will become v square x square divided by minus 2x, y will be replaced by vx. So further simplification, we take x square common, and what we have left over there, it is 1 minus v square, and in the numerator in the denominator you have 2x square v. So this x square will be cancelled out, and further we will write the overall question like this. We have left, if you want to remove this minus, just multiply this minus into the bracket and then you will get v square minus 1 over 2v. So this will be the final result of this particular side. So what we will do next, x dv by dx, and we have v square minus 1 over 2v and minus v. Just take the LCM of this side, this will be 2v, so it will become v square minus 1. So this is 1, so this will be multiplied with this one, so we will get 2v square. So further, x dv by dx, which is equal to minus v square minus 1 divided by 2v. Now we will separate the variable, and if we will separate the variable, what we will do, we will convert or multiply, cross multiplying the overall function, it will become v square minus 1. I will take minus common from here and convert the overall structure into the plus sign. So this minus will stay there, and just I will replace this minus 1 over x dx. Now the variables are separated, so you can easily integrate the question, integrate both sides. And minus 1 over x dx. So this question is very simple. The denominator function has a first derivative in the numerator, so you can use the natural log of v square plus 1. Obviously you all know the integration, and before going to start this particular subject, differential equation, you must need to understand the overall concept of integration, and this will become minus natural log of x, and I can use again natural log of c. You can use c as well, but I want to remove natural log from the question most of the time, so that's why I am using natural log of c. So finally it will become natural log of c by x. After taking anti-log, you will get v square plus 1 is equal to c over x. This is not our final answer because we have to replace v by, from here we can get the value of v. The value of v will be y over x. This value will be substituted over here, so you will get what you will get y by x whole square plus 1 is equal to c over x. You can leave the question over here, and if you want to further simplify the question, so it will become y square over x square plus 1 is equal to cx, and further simplification we will get y square plus x square is equal to c by x. So final answer will be x square. So final answer will be x square plus y square is equal to Cx. So this is our final answer for this particular differential equation. You can leave the answer over here, but if you want to further simplify, sometimes in books, in standard books, the answers are given but in particular form, a most simplified form. So this is most simplified form. So maybe you can leave answer over here, but sometimes instructor, your teacher asks to simplify further and you will get the most simplified answer, and this is your most simplified answer. So this is the way how homogeneous differential equation will be solved.